how instant ramen took over the world and even space.
Ever wondered how something as simple as instant noodles became one of the most eaten foods on the planet? Think about it. You don't need a chef, not even a cook. You definitely don't need a kitchen. All you need is just hot water, and boom, you have a satisfying meal. So, how did the story that starts in a tiny shed somehow end up in a spaceship 1,000 miles from Earth? Chapter 1 New Beginnings. Back in 1958, something weird showed up on store shelves: instant noodles. Instant chicken ramen, to be precise. Most people took time to figure out what it was. Instant noodles? How does that even work? Could it be as simple as that? No slaving over a stove for hours, making a ramen broth, getting the ingredients, flavors, and seasonings just right? Besides, it was more expensive than fresh noodles. And honestly, it all seemed a bit suspicious. Yeah, people weren't fully sold at first. But slowly, curiosity turned into habit, because once you tried it, you realized how ridiculously easy it was. Chapter 2 The Shed Genius. Behind this weird idea was one man, Momofuku Ando. And the most amazing part, he wasn't creating this in some fancy lab. He conjured this up in a small backyard shed in Osaka. Night after night, he kept experimenting, failing, trying again, failing again. Until one day, inspiration struck. He saw his wife trying tempura. I noticed something simple. Hot oil removes moisture. Fast. That was it. He flash fried some noodles, dried them, and suddenly they could last forever, and could easily be brought back to life as soft, delicious noodles with hot water. That was it. 2 minutes later, instant ramen was born. Chapter 3 The Cup Noodles Breakthrough. Fast forward a decade. Momofuku Ando visits the US of A, the mecca of canned and preserved food. Here he sees something interesting. Ramen eaters are breaking noodle blocks, putting them into cups, and pouring hot water over them. So he thinks, wait, why not just sell it like that? And so boom, in 1971, cup noodles were launched. Portable, mess-free, foolproof. And just like that, ramen went from food to lifestyle. Chapter 4 Ramen Goes to Space. Now here's where it gets crazy. In 2005, ramen left Earth. Yup, space. Nissin Foods created Space Ramen, an instant ramen version designed for zero gravity. Shorter noodles, thicker broth, no floating mess. And Japanese astronaut Soichi Noguchi actually ate it in space. One man, one idea, and a very simple goal: make food that anyone, anywhere could prepare instantly, no matter how tough life got. Final, a global obsession. Today, over 100 billion servings of instant noodles are eaten every single year. Think about that. From late night cravings to survival food to space missions, all powered by one simple idea: just add hot water. Not bad for something that started in a shed in Osaka, right?